Tina Abranti we are. The whole of last year, both Premier League in a year. Ebo in a year, no. Or share 5 goals, 2 assists. And then Yabo just about 25 games. Our all competitions or 22 goals, 8 assists. This is the man. And I think someone you think they say, some Marcus Rashford do one more. The way our partner actually the team now around Marcus Rashford, manage goals no money for a break cry. Because now he's everything Man United. Goals on Beshe, assist, general football play. Say, what one has money for it make it chances are. It's all around about for Marcus Rashford.
Super Sports.
Marcus Rashford since the World Cup, I remember in 2023 no, was 11 goals. The whole of Chelsea for club now has 4 goals.
Oh
yes.
Chelsea club after World Cup.
The whole Chelsea club no. Yes, 2023 yes. You were 2023, year 2023.
I feel when you Chelsea club ni has 4 goals. Marcus Rashford has 11. Okay.
And
Marcus Rashford 11, Chelsea 4.
Chelsea 4. I don't or form. Actually, the whole entire Chelsea for club Nina. And it tells you how Apantene Bobo or Edefa. Look at these numbers. Oko company no one must say go down when you for a company no. Na Andy Current do Adiok. And I'll be the third player to score for Man United or the company. And upon a case of form party is so be. And I think about somebody now echo the man apart from Marcus Rashford. In next week's game, they say some man for our of them. Some bet now in the game now is because of these facts. I bet for the Pedro prayer.
Okay.
Gavi out of this game because we need 3 yellow cards. And Man forever requirement Abante friend Martinez. Yeah. There is Woodward Hostable. There's Abante friend. The other place more problem. Sabisa win ever. And Man for confidence of winning this game is because the two orchestrators upon Basa Foot in the panel. They are all out of this game. I think the annual game no was a very very good game. Remember Man United in Nabaso. Eric Ten Hag Madika Canada. So on the one transfer window. I created the what's in the one transfer window? I transfer Man United now. Just imagine say Obenya apart from Jazim, the war chest of money. And I want to say that's getting in Aba. And I only 2 or 3 transfer windows to transform this team. I think setting my friend Barca and say Man U will go a long way to be able to play this game.
Okay.
Rashford say Ophelis Omulusu game, and I agree with him. Man U 4 times on and no game. I'm going to win game and Kenya Mama. And I think say no, the second leg than Kuya Mama. They look at the first leg and Transition. But I think say no game there. It was a perfect game for 2 teams. No. Coach is now on the bench and they did their job. Okay. A chess game and one of them ended in a draw.
Okay.
My motive team also they did a very good job.